So how do you keep the iPad screen on when it's plugged in, right? So if you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss these quick tips like this one, right? So when your iPad is plugged in, you don't have to worry about the battery. And in that case, you can open up these settings, go to the display and brightness section where you can locate the auto lock feature. So it's the automatic locking. And it's very likely that you have it set to like 5 minutes to 10 or 15, but there is also the option for never, right? So when you set it to never, it just means that the iPad will never go black, right? It will just keep the screen on indefinitely. And since the iPad is plugged in and connected to power, the battery will also not run out. So it will be just turned on until you decided that it doesn't have to be anymore, right? This is ideal if you use your iPad to have it on a display somewhere, or if you just want to use it like in a store, or if you want to use it as a photo frame even, right? So this is kind of useful. You get a little disclaimer when you select the never option that it might use more energy, but this is like pretty self-explanatory or kind of expected, right? So I'm going to wrap up the video. That's everything I wanted to say. Let me know what you think about that below. Subscribe for these tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.